Hey guys, Clark to the rescue. Today I shared with you top growth hacks to multiply traffic from your Instagram. Only growth hacks that really work. As a result, your traffic is going up, your sales are going up. Sounds good? Here we go. And the very first thing you see is your Instagram bio. New visitors of your Instagram start with your bio. So tell them about your products and services, gifts and discounts, latest tracks and videos. Explain to newbies why to click on your link with some call to action like learn more or tap to shop or check my new videos, and use emoji to draw the attention and be super cute. For example, let's imagine what we sell new AirPods on Instagram and I try to edit my boring bio, to something like this. Okay? See the difference, right? With call to action. The next step is your Instagram bio link. Basically, Instagram sandwich you with a single clickable link, but more links, more traffic. It really works that simple because you get more chances to hook up your followers. Showcase your top products and services, latest posts and videos, add a donation button and a couple of messengers to contact you quickly, and sales boom! And there is a magic tool to add messengers and multiple clickable links to Instagram bio the easy way. Plus retarget all the clickers and sell to them again and again. SHORBY. This one is so easy that I can create a supercharged link for my Instagram in minutes while in a taxi. Okay, let me show you how to use this tool to the fullest. Okay, I'm still selling AirPods Pro and how to make it big. The very first thing is to add direct messengers buttons to your WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger and Telegram to contact you quickly. Add at least 2-3 messengers in order to stop losing your hot leads. For example, WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger. We all have them, right? Well, be ready to text more, but it's worth it. Hot leads are the cheapest way to convert visitors to customers. Don't forget to add your photo, headline, and description to boost the conversion. The description is the best place to showcase your product and services. I highly recommend you don't copy your Instagram bio. Think up a headline and description that sells. For example, 15% off on Apple Music subscription today. Then finish the sentence by a call to action like message me or order online now. Just ask yourself, wanna message? Wanna click? Yes? Perfect. And now what it's all about. Links. That's really awesome. You can add multiple eye-catching links to highlight the most important things you have to hook up all of your followers. Link your best-selling products and services, posts and videos, surveys and gift cards, and so on, all in one place. Let me demonstrate. Watch closely. You just put the link here, and that's all. Let's go again. You just put the link, and that's all. Magic. SHORBY creates a preview automatically. Don't need to upload any images and think up with any headlines automatically. If needed, you can edit your headline, for example, to something like this. Okay. Or you can choose the style of your rich link, for example, this, or this, or this, or maybe this. I like this style. Okay. Plus, you can fully customize your smart page with your branded colors and background image. It's so easy to play with it and create hundreds of links. But how many links are too many? Well, one link is not enough to interest different followers. Tens of links are too many. We tested that 5 to 7 links work best to maximize your traffic and conversion. Don't use boring headlines for your links like my website or my videos. Use sales copy, add emoji if needed, and pop the main link. For example, like this. And just look at this. In minutes, I have added Apple Music subscription, 3 more products, several call to action buttons on each screen, and I'm even selling the gift cards. Awesome, right? I multiplied my Instagram traffic in minutes, and now I'm ready to be the king of AirPods. Okay. Settings. Oh, that is a secret weapon. The SHORBY, you can retarget everyone who clicked on your main link and all the links and messengers you have. Retarget and make them buy. Collect your audience automatically and sell to them again and again. You just need to add retargeting pixels to your SHORBY page, and that's all. How many? I recommend to add at least Facebook, Google, and Twitter pixels to reach the most of your audience. Also, you can add Google Analytics to get deep insights and know what content works best. That's the nuts. Okay, publish. Let's check. Wow! Supercharged link on your Instagram bio? Not only, you can use this link on your Instagram stories every day, on your Snapchat stories every day, on your Twitter and YouTube. Easy to set up, easy to update. What's up? Stop overthinking. Now it's your turn to skyrocket. Just 5 minutes to check it out. Try these 7 grow hacks right now to watch things grow. Thumbs up if you need more video like this. Bye bye.